Hey fellow travelers, we are Khushbu and Sarabjit from 3435 Street.
Today we are here to spill all the tea on Thailand, our favorite spot in Southeast Asia.
We have explored it, messed up a few times and learned the ropes so you don't have to.
So grab a cup of coffee or a snack.
And let's dive into everything you need to know for a 2025 Thailand adventure.
Most of us are first time international travelers and we have seen people sweat bullets at the airport. So let's make sure you're not one of them.
As you all know, Indian tourists get a sweet visa-free entry to Thailand for at least 30 days. And you can set it up to 60 days if you're vibing too hard.
Starting May 1st, you'll need Thailand's digital arrival card. Fill it up 3 days before you fly. It's free and non-negotiable. Just head to immigration.go.th and complete the form in a few simple steps.
Other than this, you'll need a passport valid for at least 6 months, a return or onward flight to show that you're not moving to Thailand forever, a hotel booking or a place you're crashing, and a minimum of 20,000 baht to show that you're not broke.
Thai immigration is usually chill. They mostly check your TDAC and passport. But our airlines make a big deal about it. They'll grill you like it's a job interview. We saw some passengers being sent back home because they didn't have hotel bookings for their entire trip.
We got stuck at the airport because we didn't have any bath on us. Either make sure you're fully stacked up, and if you're stuck like us, use this simple hack. Ask for their declaration form. It is basically you promising to pay for your own flight back if Thailand deports you. Sign it, smile, and be on your way.
Thai streets run on cash. Local food stalls, tuk-tuks, and even some hotels give your card a side look like it's from another planet. First-time travelers underestimate this.
If you're on a budget, 20-30,000 will cover you for 2 weeks. But if you're anything like us, foodie and shopaholics, go for 50,000 baht and live your best life.
We once ran out of cash in Phuket and had to book a 10-seater Grab just for the two of us. It was equally expensive as it was embarrassing. Don't be us.
Bring Thai bahts from India. Airport exchanges hit you with a knockout 12% fee. And Thai ATM slaps on withdrawal charge, even with fancy zero markup forex cards. Save your cards for spots like Agoda, 7-Eleven, Grab, and big brands with no such charges.
You'll need a SIM as soon as you land in Thailand for Grab, Google Maps, and those Insta stories.
Hit up the AIS, DTAC, and TrueMove stalls at any Thai airport. Their prepaid tourist SIMs cost for 350 to 700 baht for 7 to 15 days.
AIS has got the best coverage even on remote islands and jungle safaris. DTAC is super fast in the cities, perfect for those Insta flexes. TrueMove is like Thailand's Zio, cheap, reliable, and gets the job done.
Skip eSIM apps like Saili. While it worked in Bangkok, it totally ghosted us in Chiang Rai and Krabi.
While most of the places offer free Wi-Fi anyway, if you are a couple or traveling with a group, just get a beefy SIM and hotspot the rest.
In Bangkok, the best way to travel is through BTS SkyTrain and MRT. It's clean, fast, and cheap, and nothing like Delhi Metro. People are actually well behaved and they wait for their turn.
In big cities, Grab's your BFF. Boards a cheaper alternative, but the drivers are scarce and cancellations are annoying. In Phuket, Grabs are super expensive, so we took their bike alternatives.
Tuk-tuks are cute, colorful, and best for our Instagram reels, but they overcharge you. Haggle hard and skip any floating market deals. They are traps. If you still want to use it, go for MoveMe app for your bookings.
Scooter rentals are 300 to 500 baht per day and are a total game changer. Just make sure that you're traveling with your international driver's permit.
For intercity trips, 12Go is your go-to app. Save cash by using card payment for your bookings. Though prices are similar at stations if you're old school.
While budget airlines like Nook Air and Vietjet are stingy and allow only 7 kg baggage,
Others like AirAsia, Scoot, and Thailand have zero luggage allowance in their base fare. So select your flights carefully and add baggage while booking your tickets. It's way cheaper than paying at the airport.
if you're planning to go on a shopping spree in Bangkok, keep it as your last destination and take advantage of the 25 kg checked baggage for your flight back to India.
Thailand has a warm and welcoming vibe, but some scammers are ready to crash your party. Trust us, we have been there.
As first time travelers, we fell for a few tricks. So let's make sure you are one step ahead of them.
The Grand Palace is close scam got us good once. A super friendly sweeper at Khausan Road told us that the palace is closed for prayers and hooked us up with a tuk-tuk tour to River Ferry.
Turns out the sweeper guy was just a bait. The tuk tuk driver, the ferry guy, and all the shopkeepers are in it raking up big commissions.
The scam targets solo travelers and couples who fall for the local vibe, where tourists are high pressured into buying overpriced suits, gems, and souvenirs. The truth is, Palace and Wat Pho are almost never closed.
Credit card and ATM frauds are common nationwide. We have heard horror stories of scammers stealing credit card details. So stick to ATMs in high footfall areas like 7-Eleven.
Film a quick video of your vehicle before you ride. Some dealers in Phuket and Pattaya love claiming you scratched it to extort money from tourists. Thailand street food isn't just safe, it is the soul of the trip. But as first time foodies, you gotta be street smart to avoid tongue tantrums.
Hit up the stalls where locals are queuing. Longer lines means fresher food. Go for hot fried goodies like pad thai, grilled skewers, or mango sticky rice.
If you have got a sensitive stomach, ease in with stalls near malls or food court. Say Maypet for a non-lethal bite. Big cities and touristy spots are veg-friendly havens. You will find stir-fried veggies, tofu dishes, and the heavenly mango sticky rice. Veg Thai curry is a win too, but confirm the broth before ordering. They often use fish sauce, shrimp paste, and oyster sauce even in veg dishes.
Say Mai Sai Nampla or J Food for strict vegan dishes, or look for this symbol on their menu.
In Google Maps, search J Restaurant or download the Happy Cow app for vegan options. You can also try 7-Eleven for quick veg bites.
If all fails, Indian restaurants are the backup plan in all major cities, especially in Bangkok and Pattaya.
If you're just looking to ditch your office grind, then the best time to visit is from November to April. The breeze is cool, humidity is very less with very little rain, and you will get to experience Loy Krathong and Yipeng Festival in Chiang Mai.
In January, there are massive celebrations of Chinese New Year's in Bangkok's Chinatown. Red Dragon dumplings. What's not to love, bro?
If you're looking for epic experiences, then come in April around Songkran. It's Thai New Year celebrated like Holi on overdrive. 3 days of water fights and pool parties.
The famous full moon party is held monthly at Hattering Beach in Koh Phangan. It is totally wild, filled with neon body paints, EDM, fire skipping.
Tourists from every corner of Thailand come to this beach only on this night to party. So make sure you get your hotel bookings and ferry done on time. Let's talk about those elephant rides and tiger selfies you see all over Thailand's brochure. They are tempting but a hard pass.
This was the tourism in 90s. Here's how to make ethical choices in 2025 and leave with good karma and epic memories.
Stay clear of the elephant rides, tiger temples, and monkey shows. They are often more about exploitation than animal love.
Instead, head to places like Elephant Nature Park in Chiang Mai. They rescue elephants and let them chill in their natural habitat.
You will feed them, snap amazing pics, and do right by these gentle giants. We know the jitters, but Thailand is one of the safest countries you can travel. Whether you're flying solo or with your partner, trust me, you will always feel safe.
Small cities and offbeat places get shut down by 7 pm, but we never felt even the slightest bit of trouble while strolling in the streets at midnight. Thailand is a dream for explorers.
Heading to jungles, islands, or late night markets? Pack bug spray. Those mosquitoes don't mess around. We learned this the hard way at Prom Tep Trek.
Slather on sunscreen and don't get into the sun from 10 am to 4 pm. Thai heat is no joke.
Avoid any negative remarks about the monarchy. It's a serious offense in Thailand. For temples, cover shoulders and your knees. Most of the spots offer shawls, but Grand Palace is extremely strict. Wear full length dresses or pants and shoes are a must, or you will end up buying their gear to enter.